Today we are going to study chapter 2 Polynomials of class 9th mathematics. So let's start. Polynomials. It consists of constants and variables. What are constants? The numerical values are constant like 6, 100, root 11, minus 18 or any other number. The values of constants do not change in a given problem. As you can see from its name itself, constant means that is fixed. In any problem, its value remains the same. Then comes variables. The value of a variable can keep changing. They are being denoted by alphabets like X, Y, Z, A, B, C and so on. So, when constants and variable combine, they form terms. How? Suppose we take 6 from here and x from this side. What we'll get? 6x. 100 and y square. This is also a term. If we just simply write minus 18, that is also a term. How? Because here the power of z can be 0. So when the power is in 0, that means it is equals to 1. Minus 18 into 1, that is minus 18. So a simple constant can also be a polynomial term. So now let's see what are algebraic expression. Combination of two or more terms. We know what are terms? When they are connected by plus, minus, divide or multiplication, that is called an algebraic expression. You can understand from an example. 2x, then comes x square minus 2x and 7x square minus 4x plus 5. So these are the algebraic expression. Here how many terms are there? In this one term is there. In this two terms, how we can separate terms? By plus and minus sign. जहाँ पे भी plus और minus का sign आ गया, then the terms are being separated. Here no sign is there of plus and minus, that's why it is a single term. Here one sign, so two terms are being separated by that. Here three terms are there. So this is what algebraic expression is. Now we can define what are polynomials. Variables involved having only non-negative integral exponents is called polynomial, which is denoted by px, qx, rx, etc. When variable की power हमारी non-negative integers होंगे, means whole number, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2 and so on, but it must not be negative or any fractional number, then it is called a polynomial. जब भी हमारा polynomial x के terms में होगा, we can write like this. It is in this way, x square plus 2 or any other. If it is in terms of y, it will be like this, y cube plus 2y minus 3 in this way. So they are denoted like this. Then comes coefficient. It is also an important part. Each term of a polynomial has a coefficient. Polynomial की हर एक term में एक coefficient present होता है. So in this polynomial, minus x cube plus 4x square plus 7x minus 2, we'll see first of all the coefficient of x cube. What is the coefficient of x cube? What is the numerical part present in it? The constant is minus 1. So it is its coefficient. Then comes coefficient of x square. What is the constant connected with this variable? 4. So that's why. Then comes coefficient of x, that is 7. Then minus 2. It is a constant. The variable connected to it, I have told you when I was teaching you terms, it has x raised to the power 0 as its variable. So the coefficient of x raised to the power 0 is minus 2. So this is what coefficient is. Next comes classification of polynomial. On what basis do we classify them? Let's see. On two bases. First, on the basis of degree and second on the basis of number of terms. Now we know what are terms, but let's see what is a degree. Highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called degree. Whenever we are given a polynomial, उसमें जो वेरिएबल प्रेजेंट होगा उसकी जो हाईएस्ट डिग्री होगी, हाईएस्ट पावर होगी, दैट विल बी कॉल्ड एज डिग्री. सपोज आई राइट हियर x क्यूब plus 2x minus 3. Here the variable is x, it is px. So the highest power of x in this expression is 3. So the degree of the entire polynomial will be 3. If I say a polynomial in terms of y, I write here x plus 1, sorry, y plus 1. So here what is the degree of the polynomial? 1, because here the power of y is 1. So in this way degree is being considered. Now let's see the basis of degree in detail. When in a polynomial the degree is 0, then it is called a constant polynomial, because in that only constants are present. As I have earlier told you, if it is only written 7, it means x raised to the power 0 is here. So 0 degree wala polynomial constant polynomial bhi bola jata hai. Then comes 1 degree, simply means highest power is 1, that is also called a linear polynomial. Then comes 2 degree, that is called a quadratic polynomial. Here the highest degree is 2. Then comes 3 degree. Here the highest degree of the variable is 3. It is also called cubic polynomial. Then last is not defined, which is called a zero polynomial. Here coefficient of each term is 0. कोई भी term हमारे पास अगर present होगी, suppose this, इसका coefficient 0 है तो 0 हो गया. That's why it is called zero polynomial, which is not defined, क्योंकि इसकी कोई degree ही नहीं होगी. So you must not be confused in 0 degree and zero polynomial. 0 degree are constant polynomials and zero polynomial is a different thing. Now let's see the basis of number of terms. We have 3 categories here. If there is one term present, that is called a monomial. 7 itself is a one term. 4z minus 2 upon 5x. When terms are separated by plus and minus sign, तो हम उसे differentiate करेंगे. Otherwise, if they are through multiplication and division connected, it will be termed as a single term. So they are called monomials. Then comes two terms that are called binomials. Two terms कैसे हैं? Plus sign से दो terms connected है. 3x plus 8, 4x minus 5y. Then comes for three terms that are called trinomials. 3x square plus 7x plus 2. Three terms are there. That's why it is called a trinomial. So this is the introductory part of chapter polynomials. I hope you understand. Now you will be able to do the very first exercise, which will be discussed in next part. If you have any problem, you can comment in comment section.